some Muslims went to the French embassy to protest against the publication of certain images depicting the Holy Prophet of Islam, peace and blessings of God be upon him. But what did these protests even aim to achieve? They further embolden and strengthen the resolve of the people who published these distressing images. Violence, boycotting, protests, riots, these have never helped the Muslim cause. In fact, this goes against what we teach. In reality, what we should be doing as Muslims is educating people as to the beautiful example and character of the Holy Prophet, peace and blessings of God be upon him, and also to show sympathy to people in their time of need. Samuel Paty followed the law of the land, and as such, if you disagree with what he did, then make your voice heard in a peaceful manner. Take it up with the authorities and the lawmakers and make that peaceful movement to make your voice heard. Today of all days was a day when we should go to the French embassy to show our sympathies, to show that we stand together as one family, just as I and 2 other young British Imams did. Because for us, it was more important to show that example of Islam.